Hello friends, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So if you're new here, my name is Shakima. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Every month I get the privilege of opening up a pink bubble bag that is from Nadine West. I have been a Nadine West reviewer probably for almost a year and a half, maybe 2 years now. And Nadine West, if you're unfamiliar with that particular subscription, it is like Stitch Fix, or it's an online clothing subscription company. And what you do is very simple. You head over to NadineWest.com, you take a very brief style quiz, and then you will get your own personal stylist. And what they will do is match you with some clothing pieces based on the quiz that you answered. We love Nadine West, and for a very long time I was doing these by myself. Now that Alanah has grown up, she's 15. Oh my goodness, what in the world? And how did that happen? She is also able to share with me some of the pieces. And y'all, do you know that Shamika can also wear some of the pieces? She came home last week and we had a few pieces that didn't quite fit myself and Alanah just right. So we thought, hey, we'll pass these along to Shamika. So how Nadine West works as well is they will send you a pink bubble bag and it will look just like this. This is a heavy bag, you guys. And you'll go through and look at the clothing that they send you. If you do not like something, all you have to do is put it back into the bag. They will give you a return label that goes on the front of your address label. You put everything back in the bag, you send it back, and they do not charge you for any items that you do not keep. Over the years that I've been doing this, I've received shirts, dresses, jeans, pants, accessories, scarves, socks, hats, you name it, they've sent it depending on the season. So we are now going into summer season and I am excited to find some new pieces. So let's get into this bag. So this bag looks really full, y'all. There's a couple bundles in here. There's one bundle. There's a second bundle. Oh wow. And there's a third bundle. There's a lot happening in these bags. So you get something very specific. You get the label that tells you what comes in your bag. And then you also get a return address label. So the return is on them if there are things in there that you do not like. You do have a specific time frame. So like for me, I have to return the items by 6/14 or June 14th if there's something in this bag that I do not like, which is reasonable because if I'm going through it right now, I should know within minutes of trying it on whether it works or it doesn't work. I've also had to, since I've been doing keto diet, gone in and adjusted my sizes, and so they have done perfectly well with that. I've made changes to the fact that I like more silver pieces than gold pieces, just different things like that, and they have adjusted very well. So in this bag there's 11 pieces, so 4 tops, 4 bottoms, 1 earring, 1 necklace, 1 bracelet. So let's jump in. So Nadine West always sends your packages wrapped in this pretty fuchsia pink paper with their signature Nadine West sticker on the front, and I absolutely love it. It's pink, it's very feminine, it's very fun. For me, if you watch my channel for any length of time, you know that I am a budget person, and sometimes I don't always have those funds to buy expensive items. These items are very cost friendly in my opinion. And again, if they send you something that you don't like, you are not obligated to keep it. You just send it back and you will not be charged for those items. So let's see what's in these bags. Alrighty, lots of color here this time. Okay. These are fun pants. Y'all, I love the fun pants, right? These are purple and blue and green. Look how fun they are. Yeah, fun pants. Hey, y'all. Look at the top of this. I love the band because I always like to pull my waist in. And then the legs of these pants, they remind me of the other pants that I got in I think 2 bags ago, but this is more like that silky material. It is see-through though, so again, be careful with undergarments. I would always wear something very dark under here, but these are lovely. And bonus, it has pockets. There's always a bonus when there's pockets, y'all. So I love this just for the color, because I could black, blue, green, purple, gray even, y'all. Love this. Have a great shirt to wear with it, and just got me a pair of gray shoes from the yard sale today. Going to try this one on. Alrighty, so some more color. Ooh. So let's see what this is. Oh, this is fun too. These are another pair of fun pants. I love the color. Okay, they have hit it out of the park with these 2 pairs of pants. Just color-wise, these are a blue, and I love those pattern. And down at the bottom, it has this pattern. So look how pretty, right? For the summer, I have 2 pairs of white sandals that these would work with. These are a size large, which for my bottom end, I'll take a large. These also have pockets, and again, they are thin, so be careful with your undergarments. However, if you're going to the beach or to the pool and you have on a swimsuit, this would be lovely to wear on top of your swimsuit. If you wanted to just have on a protected bottom and just do that. We live close to the beach, so you never know what's going to happen with swimsuit attire. So I would love that. I would wear that just regularly to work. Of course, I would wear either full tights, or I would wear dark undergarments with that. That would just be my preference. Alrighty, y'all. Speaking of tights, and I don't know if these were specifically to go under those pants, but these are like some ribbed tights. Not real sure. I'd probably, you know what? Looking at this dress that I have on today that I actually got from the Goodwill, I bought it as a dress, but it comes about mid-thigh on me. So I would definitely wear something like this underneath it, just because I don't want my thigh area out. So actually that would be a good choice for me, is something like that I could put underneath. It's not quite long enough to be a dress, but I found it in the dress section at Goodwill. But it's not short enough to be a shirt either. So I could see that piece as well. All right, another bag. There are a couple. These are more muted colors. So I like the fun colors. These are a little bit more muted. These are some shirts or some tops. And I'm trying to decide if this one shirt would go with a pair of these fun pants. I'd have to look at it more closely. I think it will with the blue pants. But this is not quite a rose gold, but it looks more of a dusty rose. And I do love that detailing around the neck. And it does come out and flare a little bit at the bottom, and it is a shorter sleeve. So that's a cute piece, and I think it would go with those dark blue pants. The next piece, okay, this is a shirt as well. And I'm trying to see which pair of pants this would go with. This might go with those same blue pants. This is a larger shirt. To me, it seems a little over large, but sometimes because I am top heavy, I have to make sure that I, have enough room in my items. Again, I always wear a cami underneath any of those tops because they can be a little see-through, so I will absolutely say that for sure. And here's a pretty cardigan, you guys. It is very thin, it's ribbed. It is shorter sleeves, but it does have the gathered arms there. But it is very, very long, and it is a cardigan. So I would wear this over like a maxi dress. I would definitely wear that over a maxi, especially if it didn't have sleeves, or if it had like just T-straps or spaghetti straps, because I'm not comfortable having my full arms out. So that would be lovely. And in the last bundle, which is here, so that was, the first bag was vibrant colors, the second bag was a little bit muted, and then here are some nice pretty blues. So let's see. This is very pretty. Oh, I love that blue. And Alanah's over there going, yes, yes, yes. So a very pretty cobalt blue to me. This is a dress and it has the ruffle at the bottom. It is a short sleeve, which we do like. And this might be something that sister would enjoy wearing, so no problem. I'll let her try this one on, but that's very pretty. And then the last thing, oh, this is called Body Slimming with Tummy Control, and it's a pair of leggings. I always generally get a pair of leggings, and these are black and white leggings, which depending on what shirt I had and what time of the evening, I would actually wear this outside. If I had a black top, shorter sleeved or thin material that wasn't sheer, but it wasn't thick either, that was kind of long, kind of about mid-thigh, like the shirt I have on today, with a nice pair of black pumps. If I were going out to, say, a girls' night, or, you know, just like in school, I'm in college and we're getting ready to graduate, and so if we were having like a graduation party or something, I would feel comfortable wearing these leggings because they're not tight. They look very loose, with a nice black top and a nice pair of patent pumps, which I do have. And then I would dress it up with my jewelry pieces. So I would make it classy, not like I was going out for exercise, if that makes sense. So here are the jewelry pieces that they sent. I love this. I always love bracelets. I'm a bracelet kind of person, so that's really pretty. The next thing they sent, and they always come in these cute little pink bags, which I do love. Oh, that's a pretty piece. That's very simple, but very pretty. That's a necklace. And then the last piece they sent were some earrings. And I love danglies. And they are gold as well. They're like a gold with amethyst. It's kind of a shimmer in there. So that is very pretty. So Alanah and I are going to do the fun part now. We're going to try it on and see what we think. So hang out with us and see what you think. Alrighty, friends, so Alanah and I have tried on all the pieces except the black leggings, but we already know that those would be just perfectly fine. And here is what we think. So in my honest opinion, this was a very good bag for us. I really like the fun blue purple pants, even though they didn't fit exactly like I thought they would. Like the front seemed to not slimmerize me as much as I thought they would. It's totally fine. It's my body shape. I'm a total apple, which means I'm round in the middle. Sometimes you wish you were that perfect pair, but I'm round in the middle. That is just how it is. Even with that being said, I still think they fit very nicely. Now, maybe the color choice of top shirt was not the best. I had a gray shirt in my closet. It was a Nadine West shirt as well. So I just paired it with what I had. So I would go with a different or a white shirt. I don't know. But overall, I like those pants. Then go into the cardigan, which I did put on, and I wore this with 2 outfits. Honestly, it is a little big on me because, and I think that's just because I've lost weight. But I do like this style of cardigan. I do like the sleeves. I think they were very nice. I do like it with the fun pants, and I did love, actually I haven't really loved a lot of their leggings, again, that I would wear outside of the house, but I love these white and flowered colored ones. I wish my black shirt were a little bit longer. I didn't have a longer one in my closet, but again, I would wear this to a function with my patent pumps. If I were going somewhere, I would jazz up with, I would wear longer flashy earrings and definitely a statement necklace piece, but it would look lovely if I were going out on an evening. So for me, I thought these 2 pieces, or the couple pieces that I tried on, were excellent. And now Alanah's going to tell you what she thinks about her pieces.
So I tried the blue dressy shirt. It was a little short to be a dress, and the back part came to about mid-thigh, and the front part just a little higher. So I just still, it's summertime coming up, so I didn't have any like black leggings that were like capri leggings. So I remember that Mom got me some black shorts, and they're like jean shorts. So I just paired with that one. I really like the top, hoping I'll wear it tomorrow. I like that kind of blue. I think that's my favorite color of blue, that dark kind of royal blue. And I also have the fun pants, the other ones, the purple and the blue ones. She had the purple and blue and green. I have the other purple and blue with this shirt. These are really nice. I've never really tried fun pants on because I wasn't that kind of person. They were more of mom style.
More mom.
And they're actually really great, and I would definitely like to wear these sometime to some cool party or something. And I got to pair them up with these new earrings I got from Claire's. So I definitely liked what I tried on this time.
Alrighty, you guys, so there it is. It's our open and honest opinion. Remember, we do not make anything from Nadine West. We just give them our opinion, and we get to try on fun clothes. And I'm excited to be able to share this experience with Alanah because she's growing up, and it helps that she appreciates my fashion sense. I wouldn't let her wear anything that I didn't feel was appropriate, because I wouldn't wear anything I didn't feel was appropriate. So we do get to share this experience together, and it's just been lovely. So there it is. If you want to try Nadine West, there'll be a link down in the description box below. Remember to go over to their website. You take a brief quiz. They will sign you to a stylist, and then you'll receive a bag in just a few weeks. Anything you don't like, you put back in the bag, put the return address label on it by the address date, by the return date, and then you send it back. You won't be charged for those items. This was a huge bag for us this time. There were all the pieces were lovely, and I think we will be keeping all of them. So there it is. It's our open and honest review. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you've tried Nadine West, let us know what you think down below, and what was one of your fun things in your bag, or let us know what you thought was a good item on us this time. We do appreciate you guys so much, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye now.